So, now what are we three to do?
Wow! It took you a long time to get your purse back.
Well, some of us like to take our time and don't like to sprain our wings.
Something tells me you just had a really prank or something like that. Anyway, me and Flora were going to go to, where was it again, Flora? I believe it was Pinky's and Whitey's beauty parlor. We were going to get our feathers blowfled, brushed, and washed. Exactly.